So come to prevention and control. The old age of prevention is better than cure. Okay, we always discussing from the very old age. Holds true here also. It is also true that habits such as smoking, taking drug or alcohol are more likely to be taken up at young age, more during adolescence. Hence, it is best to identify the situations that may push an adolescent towards the use of drugs or alcohol and to take remedial measures well in time. In this regard, the parents and the teachers have a special responsibility. Parenting that combines with high levels of nurturance and consistent discipline has been associated with lower risk of substances like alcohol, drugs, and tobacco abuse. Some of the measures mentioned here would be particularly useful for prevention and control of alcohol and drug abuse among adults. So, what are different pathways? The first one is avoid undue peer pressure. ये जो सांगसाथी मानकर प्रोत्साहन सांगसाथी मानकर जो कथा कहबार शैली ता द्वारा आम प्रभावित न होबार अच्छी. Avoid undue peer pressure. Every child has his or her own choice and personality, which should be respected and nurtured. A child should not be pushed unduly to perform beyond his or her threshold limits, be it studies, sports, or other activities. Parents never has to be make load as much as possible on the students. Okay, so then come to education and counseling. Educating and counseling him or her to face problems and stresses and to accept disappointments and failures as a part of life. It would also be worthwhile to channelize the child's energy into healthy pursuits like sports, reading, music, yoga, and other extracurricular activities. So, education counseling must be there. So, students have to engage in some of their hobbies to make their hobbies by associating themselves in particular habits for enjoying the time, for enjoying yourselves. So, we must have to keep one of them or one of the extracurricular activities for our enjoyment. Seeking help from parents and peers. Help from the parents and peers should be sought immediately so that they can guide appropriately. Help may even be sought for close and trusted friends, besides getting proper advice to sort out their problems. This would help young to vent their feelings and anxiety and guilty. So, properly the trustworthy friends must have to be helped and you have to be asked the trustworthy friends only. You cannot seeking help from any other friends. Looking for danger signs. So, what are danger signs? Alert parents and teachers need to look for identify the danger signs discussed above. Even friends, if they find someone using drugs or alcohol, should not hesitate to bring this to the notice of parents or teachers in the best interest of the person concerned. जदि भी आम सांगसाथी किए से पशुंट आम जनइबा कहीं से पिला पशुंट कहीं असुविधा है ये सब विषय में जानिले पिलाटी से बाहरी पार. Appropriate measures would then be required to diagnose the malady and the underlying causes. This would help in initiating proper remedial step or treatment. The last one is seeking professional and medical help. A lot of help is available in the form of highly qualified psychologists, psychiatrists, and de-addictions and rehabilitation programs to help individuals who have unfortunately got into the quagmire of drug or alcohol abuse. With such help, the affected individual with sufficient efforts will power and can get rid of the problem completely and lead to perfectly normal and healthy life. So these are professional psychologists and psychiatrists. They can they can clean our mind by giving some tips how to avoid this kind of activities. So we learned that those persons have already abused. They have once upon their life they must have a starting period. So during the starting period in these ages, they must be entered to the peer stresses and their society. So this is the lacuna of our society as well as the government to doing this kind of activities, because many adolescents, youngsters are entering to these kind of societies where they can only find drugs and alcohol. So these must have been removed. Government is so much liberal in this kind of activity. So we must have to ourselves. आमको आवार होगा पड़ो किसी गवर्नमेंट भी आम किसी कर ओके. तो आम देखा आम सांगसाथी जो जब किए ये अब्यूज हो ताकू डाकिले पचारिबा कौन तार असुविधा होता कारण जो मैंने आज जो मैंने भी आम देखुचे समाज में एम सब ये कम करूँ से दिने ना दिने पियर प्रेसर ही आसी तो कौ मैंने जो मैंने इमोशनली वीक से मैंने ही ये कम करते सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट ह्यूमन हेल्थ एंड डिजीज वी कंप्लीटेड द चैप्टर सो after our pre-test exam we will again continue from another chapter but during these the rest classes will be discussed about question answers and how to write your questions only question answer discussion.